Okay, I want to show you the steps you have to take to get that answer for 18 divided by 5. You have to use the long division method. Okay, before I do that, I am to divide 18 by 5. Okay, this is it. Now before I solve this, I like to solve this first. Let me divide this. Okay, we have 7 divided by 2. I want to divide this. The idea from this will actually help you to understand this better. Okay, what you do is this. You have to use the long division method. This is your numerator and the denominator. So you have this case. The numerator, which is 7, will come in here inside the case, and then you have your denominator, which is 2, outside the case. Okay, 2 in 7 is 3 remainder 1. So you write the whole number and leave the remainder. Okay, 2 in 7 is 3 remainder 1. So leave the remainder 1 and concentrate on the whole number, which is 3. So 3 times 2, you have 6. The next thing you do is you subtract this from this. So 7 minus 6, what you have is 1. Basically, what you are doing is this: division, multiplication, and subtraction. These are the 3 basic operators you are applying to solve 2 in 7. That's division. You have 3. What you have here, you multiply by this. Multiplication comes in. You have 6. The next operator that comes in is subtraction, minus. So this minus this, you have 1. So you start the process all over. In this case, you have 1. 2 in 1 cannot. The rule states that you add 0 to that value that you can divide, and that 0 becomes a point automatically to this. Okay, alright, let's divide. 2 in 10, you have 5. Now 5 times 2, you have 10. The last part is subtraction. Subtract 10 minus 10, you have 0. So basically 7 divided by 2, the answer is 3.5. Alright, with that knowledge, let's see how we can answer this. 18 divide 5. So you have a case. 18 comes inside that case, then you have 5 outside. Okay, now 5 in 18, you have 3 remainder 3. Okay, so you write the whole number and leave the remainder. So this is what you are writing on top. So you have 3. Okay, division, multiplication comes in. So 3 times 5 is 15. The next operator is subtraction. So let's subtract that. 18 minus 15 is 3. Okay, now let's divide this. Can 5 go in 3? Cannot. Just like what you had done in this case, you had 0 to that number, and that 0 becomes a point automatically. So you now have it as 5 in 30. The answer is 6. Write 6 there. You multiply, because you have multiplication as the next operator that should come in. 6 times 5 is 30. The last operator is subtraction. So you subtract this minus this, you have 0. So therefore 18 divided by 5 is what you have on top, 3.6. That's how to go about it to have the 0.6. Okay.